Hello guys and welcome to today's trade recap. Today is the day that I'm announcing that I'm gonna quit trading forever and I'm not doing this shit anymore. I'm quitting. Fuck the shit. Bro, obviously I'm kidding, but what the fuck is this? Why is this shit keeps on happening? I don't know. I just think that there is something wrong that I need to fix, but I still don't figure it out. I don't know. Like getting stopped out by this week is crazy work. Like 2 pips or 2.6. I don't know. I really don't know. I try to fix it actually because I usually set my stop loss below the lows, and in this case I wanted to be more open about the trade, and I wanted to extend my stop loss a little bit below this fair value gap at the 1 minute. I said, okay, there's a 1 minute fair value gap. I want to set my stop loss below that, and I was wrong. Price did stop me out by 1 pip or 2 pips. Why is this shit happening? And price just flew by exactly to my drawn liquidity, to my target, and kept on reversing. And I'm not fucking faking anything. I will show you exactly the screenshot. Like, I don't know, I followed my trading plan to the fucking bottom, bro. Like, look at this. I'm going to show you everything. Okay, hold on. This one on GUSD. Hold on. This one on GBP GPY. I wanted the sweep, breakout structure, retest the fair value gap, and then a retracement. We got that. Set up validated 5-minute breakout structure, 5-minute market structure shift, seeing price reverse all to this supply zone with the order block, and then this fair value gap got created. I wanted price to inverse this gap. Price hit equilibrium and I wanted it to inverse this gap. And then price did something like this. I waited for my confirmation. Price inversed this gap and created breakout structure. This candle waited for a retracement into this fair value gap, and I entered it right there. My stops were below these lows, right when the fair value gap is, and after that, getting wicked out, and like by fucking pips, 1 or 2 pips, and then price hits my fucking obvious drawn liquidity that I was targeting, which is the 50% mark of this 4-hour fair value gap. Is a fucking crazy work, and I don't know what is happening. If you guys, any of you guys know what is wrong and know something that I can fix, please tell me, because I'm not getting it anymore. Like, this shit has not happened to me once. It's multiple times now. It is getting serious, bro. I'm not wrong about the bias. My bias is right. My trade ID is right. I executed perfectly. My take profit is right. So fucking right. Maybe I was wrong about putting my stop loss at these lows. I should have put my stop, but then my risk to reward is going to be shitty. So I don't know. Maybe I should have put my stop loss below this low of the 1 minute, but that would have fucking give me, like, this is the one that I wanted. This is the, bro, I don't know. I swear to God, I don't fucking know. 1 to 2 risk to reward, got fired again. Last time was 1 to 3 risk to reward. Now it's 1 to 2. And to break it down to you, how did I came out with this bias? What was my thought process on this trade? So don't forget the like button and subscribe. If you have any suggestion for me, if you have experienced this shit before, don't let me in this shit situation. Please help me out, bro. Cause like I'm struggling right now, bro. I'm struggling. I'm in a drawdown. I just won a 1 to 3 risk to reward trade that I posted last time, and that put me in a good place, a little bit of a good place, but I'm still in drawdown, and I'm still coming up with these trades that I'm right about my buys, right about my drawn liquidity, but I get stopped out from little ticks to then price hitting my final TP. Or what the fuck is that? Why? So on the daily time frame, we had this liquidity sweep, and with that I said price should deliver higher. And also on the 4-hour, there's plenty of liquidity laying below this, and this there's that got swapped, and we still have these higher time frame draws on liquidity, and price is moving. This is a higher low being created, a lower low being created, a lower high is going to be created. So on the 1 hour, these are the Asian session highs, these are the Asian session lows. Price came down, we swept out the Asian session lows. Then I said I'm doing this work with what does it called? In my notebook, I'm setting my steps. What do I want to see? What price has did, and what is my reaction? So I'm going to read it for you. Here it is, like just what happened, a liquidity sweep, waiting for what? Waiting for the 15-minute breakout structure or 15-minute inversion of the gap, like whatever, those small steps that means that can help me a lot in following my trading plan. It's pretty much like reading my trading plan and applying it on the chart. So here the 15-minute breakout structure has happened, 15-minute change of character has happened. I wanted to see a retracement back into this order block. That happened again. We just this breaker block and this order block, and by that scale down to the 5-minute to look for more continuation confluences. I wanted to see a structure being created and a breaker structure on the 5-minute. So we made equal lows, and this shit that I was concerned about, and that worked. That I said, oh shit, we created equal lows, price might fucking goes down, and took these equal lows before it delivers higher. And by that time I have school today, we are back at school, I'm no longer at work. I go back at school today, and I have to go to fucking school by that time, and I couldn't trade the New York session. So I got not a little bit greedy. I'm not greedy at all on this trade, to be fully honest, but I could have been waited, and I actually, that's why I gave the trade more space in the stop loss, because usually I set it at the recent low, but this time I give it more room for price to, even if it wanted to take out this equal lows, that means I'm still good, but I should have extended it more, I guess. But very fucking unfortunate. So let me continue. Then I scaled down to the 1 minute. I saw these equal lows. This breakout structure has happened, this breakout structure. Then I said, okay, we inversed the fair value gaps. We did the breakout structure. Now I just need my entry signal. By that time price flow by, and I was very patient. I didn't want to enter right that. I waited for price to reverse. Price reversed, entered off of that pitch right away. When I saw this fair value gap being created, price reversed to the fair value gap, entered right away at here, and price did fucking by the time I closed everything, closed my laptop, closed everything, and I went to school, and I didn't know anything about this trade. Also, we had this bullish 5-minute SMC that I didn't mention before, and after stopping me out, price stopping me out, taking out these equal lows, flow by, filled in this 4-hour fair value gap or this 1-hour fair value gap. My target was not the Asian session highs because I know that price is definitely going to reverse and not taking out these highs because the trend is downtrend and I wanted to take a reversal. It is right that I don't usually trade reversals, but I saw the setup, I saw the clean setup getting formed, and I wanted to get through it. So we have this 1-hour fair value gap. I drawed on the 50% mark of it. I targeted the 50% mark of it, and actually the start of this breaker block. So by that, the trade is a W, but not in my favor. I don't know why. Look at this candle. What the fuck is that? It is literally 7:30 p.m. and that candle has happened. I don't know what the fuck is that, but it is what it is. So if you have, guys, anything in your mind to help me out with, just type it out in the comment section, please. I need help. I literally need help. I'm like getting the setups, getting the fucking good things, but I'm following my trading plan, I'm following my rules, and I'm risking how much I'm supposed to risk, and I'm doing everything how I supposed to do, and getting wrecked by this thing is very fucking unfortunate. I don't know how even can that happen to me multiple times though. So one time is probably happens, it will happen one time, 2 times, but 3 times, bro, that's like, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I really don't know. But I really was concerned about the price taking out liquidity once again and taking out these equal lows. That's why I extended my stop loss a little bit than usual. But I don't know, bro. This was the trade recap of today. That means the win that I did, I think last week on 1st of April, is now no longer available in my account because I lost 2 trades now. That's why the risk management is very. Let me hop on and show you my execution really quick so you don't fucking bitch out. I entered long right here, got stopped out right here, price reversed right here. I don't know why this shit is happening to me always, but it is just part of the game. You gotta accept it how it is. And that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video even though it's not enjoyable. I hope you guys benefit from this video. If you have anything and this setup appears, don't be fooled by this. If you have equal lows, wait for the setup to form, wait for the equal lows to be taken out, wait for the New York session to open. Do not trade right before the New York session. But I did that, and once again I got fucked, bro. But I really need to trust the process. I don't need to panic. I don't need to rush, because this thing is going to fucking play out. This shit is going to play out. I will never fucking quit. I will never ever in my entire fucking life quit trading ever. If you are listening, bro, I will rather die than fucking quit trading. I will never quit trading, even though I'm not winning any fucking penny, even though I'm losing consistently this fucking whole month and a half, and I don't care. I do not care. Even though I lose my funded account, I will not give a fuck. I will continue my journey. I will continue all the hard work. I will continue all the trade recaps. I will continue on dropping out the new videos. I will continue out doing every fucking work. All the work, backtesting, journaling, every single thing. I will keep on working, keep it the same, and even work harder. So that's it for today. I hope you guys benefit from this video. Have anything in your mind, type it out in the comment section, and peace out.